Welcome to Ninja Welding, where sparks fly, metal bends, and only the toughest machines earn their stripes. Today, we're diving headfirst into the elite league of welding, the best AC/DC TIG machines on the planet. With high-frequency arc starts, pulse control, AC/DC flexibility, and dual voltage power that follows you wherever the grind takes you. So if you're ready to level up your weld game, strap in. Because this isn't just a review, it's a showdown. Let's fire it up. First up, the Miller Multimatic 220 AC/DC. One word, versatile. MIG, stick, DC TIG, and AC TIG, all packed into one portable powerhouse. Thanks to Miller's Auto Set Elite, setup is a breeze. Dial in your wire or tungsten size, material thickness, and it gives you the perfect arc every time. Need more control? Flip to manual, adjust balance, pulse, frequency, or dig like a boss. And here's the kicker. QuickTech lets you keep your MIG gun and TIG torch connected. No switching leads, no wasted time. Just weld. Dual gas ports, multi-voltage plug, professional performance anywhere. It's not just a welder, it's your go-to weapon for fabrication. Next up, the ESAB Rebel. The name says it all. This machine doesn't follow rules, it rewrites them. The first ever portable true all-process machine. MIG, flux cord, stick, DC TIG, and yes, AC TIG. Want to weld aluminum? The Rebel laughs at aluminum. It's got high-frequency starts, pulse up to 500 Hz, dual current, balance, and frequency control. Everything the pros demand. And here's where it gets smart. With SMIG tech, this beast learns as you weld. Smooth, stable arcs that adjust in real time. Perfect for veterans. Game-changing for beginners. Built like a tank, yet just 25.5 kilos, with a 5-handle roll cage ready for anything. The TFT display? Bright, multilingual, customizable, with memory slots, pre-post flow, spot weld settings, you name it. And the best part? It's fully loaded out of the box. No extra gear needed. Just plug in and go. The Rebel doesn't play nice, it dominates. Last, but absolutely not least, the Lincoln Power MIG 215 MPI. This one's for the pros who need simplicity, speed, and serious performance. MIG, stick, flux core. DC TIG, it handles it all with zero fuss. Dual voltage, yep. 120 or 230 volts. Plug it in and go. Lightweight? Only 48 pounds. Carry it one-handed. But tough enough to take a beating. TIG ready out of the gate. Built-in solenoid and foot pedal adapter. No install. No drama. The wire drive? Rock solid. No slipping. No misfeeds. Just smooth arcs. Setup is dead simple with Ready Set Weld. It suggests your settings. You dial and weld. With ArcFX, you get live visual feedback, so you actually see how tweaks affect your weld. Memory functions let you save jobs and fire them up instantly. Fast, smart, built to move. So, which one takes the crown? That depends on you, your work, your needs, your grind. Are you chasing TIG finesse, multi-process flexibility, or job site toughness? Let us know in the comments. Which machine would you take into battle? And if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Ninja Welding, and tap the bell so you never miss a spark. Because around here, we don't just weld, we dominate metal. Catch you in the next one, only on Ninja Welding.